Okay, we're back. This time we're going to multiply. These are a little smaller, so it should go a little quicker, but you still have to check to make sure it's possible first. Notice you're going to see this phrase right here. Is it possible? So I have one single row and two columns. That's 1 by 2. And then I have two rows and one single column. And what you'll also notice here is my resultant matrix will be the same size as the rows in the first and the columns in the second. So let's go ahead and work this out. So it's nice and slow. I'm going to use orange first. So 2 times 5. And then purple second. And -1 times 3. So I'm going to have a single matrix here with one row, one column. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3 is 7. Take a look at the next one. I have a 2 by 2. And I have 2 rows and one column. Take a moment and see if you can think about what the size of your resultant matrix would be. Well, first, let's make sure it works. Yeah, look, 2 equals 2, so we're good to go. What numbers are left? Can't hear you. Oh, yes. 2 and 1. So my resultant matrix should be 2 rows and 1 column. Let's color code again. This time, let's go back to green. So 4 times 7 plus -1 times 4. Let's go round. 3 times 7. So notice we're using that 7 twice. Plus 5 times 4, also using that 4 twice. Anything in a column is going to be used once. So the resultant matrix will be 28 plus -4 is 24. I'm going to space here, move this down just a little bit. Let's finish off in black. So 24 is in my top row. 21 plus 20 is my bottom row, and that's 41. So 1, 2 rows, and 1 column. Next one up. See if this works. We got 2 rows and 3 columns, and 2 rows and 2 columns. 3 does not equal 2. So this one doesn't exist. Try the next one. We've got 1, 2, 3 rows and 2 columns, and I've got 2 rows and 3 columns. So this one, I just want to see if it exists. I'm going to show you a much easier way using an online calculator, not Desmos. Well, maybe Desmos, but there's a couple different ones we'll look at. So in this case, I just want you to recognize our answer will be a 3 by 3 matrix. So when you get this big, I'm going to show you an easier way to use technology to get the answers. Okay, here all we're going to do is determine, not actually evaluate. We're just going to determine if they exist. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually do this on a graphing calculator. So let's make sure they work first. A times B. So we got 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 3 columns. It's going to give us 2 by 3. So this one works. This is 3 rows, 2 columns, 2 columns, 3 rows, So if we put these together, that would work. A times D. So any square matrices of the same dimensions, 2 by 2 is going to work, so that'll work. And C times B. So I got 3 rows and 2 columns, and multiplying by 2 rows, 3 columns. So like I said, it's kind of tedious to work out the arithmetic. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this using an online calculator.